Life moves at a speed humans weren't designed for. Thoughts, obligations, social pressures, screens, endless notifications, your mind rarely rests. Most people live inside a buzzing mental loop, chasing validation, resisting discomfort, craving what they can't have, avoiding what they must face. You know the feeling. Replaying conversations, imagining worst-case scenarios, worrying about the past, obsessing over the future. This isn't just stress. This is the modern form of suffering. It keeps people trapped in repetitive cycles, failed relationships, repeated mistakes, self-sabotage often, without them even noticing. The overactive mind is like a computer running too many programs at once. Nothing processes fully, errors repeat, memory overloads, and energy drains away. That's where ancient frameworks come in. The Buddhist Noble Truths map suffering and its causes. They show that craving and attachment feed pain, and that awareness can break the loop. Hermetic principles act as the operating system of consciousness energy. Vibration, polarity, rhythm, and cause and effect govern everything. Stoic philosophy anchors the mind, teaching what you can control, what you cannot, and how to navigate life with clarity amidst chaos. Most people have never been taught these systems, never seen a path to live consciously. Most people live life on autopilot, but when integrated, these principles provide a toolkit for mind, energy, and daily life, allowing you to act deliberately instead of reacting automatically. The cycles that once trapped you start to break. Your awareness sharpens. Your life begins to bend to intention, not habit. Buddhism is often misrepresented as incense, chanting, or sitting cross-legged for hours. In reality, it's about observing life as it is. The first truth, suffering exists. You notice it in failed goals, broken relationships, anxiety, fear, or dissatisfaction. The second truth, suffering has causes, craving, attachment, resistance, desire for permanence in a world of impermanence. The third truth, there's a path to liberation. It's not mystical, it's practical. Pause before reacting, even once an hour. Observe craving without judgment. Let thoughts arise and pass. The fourth truth, practice. Meditation, journaling, visualization, mindful breathing, these aren't optional. They are tools to cultivate awareness in your real life. Practical exercises include labeling emotions. This is craving. This is fear. This is impermanence. Observe them as phenomena, not instructions. Notice repetitive patterns in relationships, work, or habits. Awareness alone weakens the automatic responses that fuel suffering. Pain, disappointment, fear, they are inevitable. Resisting them amplifies suffering. Observing them with calm clarity transforms your interaction with life from reactive to intentional. Integrate this with Hermetic and Stoic thought. Your awareness now informs your energy and your action. When life feels heavy, your mind can recognize patterns, pause reactions, and act with purpose. You are no longer merely living in cycles. You begin to break them step by step, day by day. Hermetic laws are consciousness at work. Cause and effect shows that every action, word, and thought creates ripples. You cannot escape it. Vibration teaches that energy resonates. Your internal frequency affects the outer reality. Polarity demonstrates duality. Every negative has a positive. Every difficulty contains insight. Correspondence as above, so below shows that your inner state manifests outwardly. Rhythm explains cycles. Rise and fall, growth and decay are natural patterns. Exercises for practical application. Polarity shift. Notice anger, jealousy, or fear, then reframe. What insight is hidden here? Vibration check. Monitor inputs, media, conversations, habits. Choose what raises energy. Pattern recognition. Observe recurring experiences. Identify the lesson or opportunity for conscious action. By using these laws intentionally, you stop being a passive player. You understand that life is interactive, and your energy and choices influence outcomes. You don't control everything, but you control your inner state, which shapes your perception, behavior, and reality. Stoicism provides a mental anchor. Control what you can, accept what you cannot. Life will challenge you. Loss, betrayal, illness, setbacks. Emotional reactions amplify suffering. Make a daily inventory. What is within my control? What isn't? Practice voluntary discomfort to strengthen resilience, cold showers, fasting, rigorous exercise, solitude. Reframe setbacks. This tests me, strengthens me, sharpens me. Replace judgment with curiosity. Replace blame with observation. Your mind is a tool, not a victim. Life is responsive. Your energy and actions shape outcomes. Stoicism trains you to endure, adapt, and respond with clarity, even under pressure. As chaos rises, your internal system remains anchored. This is the ultimate survival mechanism, emotional mastery. Combine the three frameworks. Pause to observe Buddhist. Reframe and respond deliberately Stoic. Shift energy and awareness Hermetic. Begin your day by noticing mental patterns, setting intention, and focusing energy on constructive outcomes. When life throws challenges, breathe, analyze, control, and act consciously. Every decision becomes deliberate. Awakening is cumulative, not instantaneous. Patterns change, cycles break, energy flows differently. Others may resonate or repel. Some awaken alongside you, others remain asleep. Focus on your path. Live the principles in every interaction, thought, and decision. Awareness ripples outward. Cause and effect magnifies. Vibration aligns. Polarity transforms. This is living consciously. Your mind, body, energy, and actions align with life rather than resistance. You break free from loops, regain control, and cultivate resilience. Transformation is not theory, it is daily practice. The ripple starts with you. Others may follow. Reality begins to bend.